How to create private channel on Microsoft Teams for iPhone. Private channel in Microsoft Teams create focus space for collaboration within your team. Only the user on the team who are owners or members of a private channel can access the channel. Anyone, including guests, can be added as a member of a private channel as long as they are already team members. You might want to use the private channel if you want to limit collaboration to those who have a need to know, or if you want to facilitate communication between a group of people assigned to a specific project without having to create an additional team to manage. To create a team channel on iPhone, tap on the Teams button from the bottom. Here, tap on the three dots menu near the name of the team. On the menu, tap on Manage Channels. Tap on the plus Add Channel button from the top of your iPhone. Write the name of the channel. Write a description of the channel. On Privacy, you need to select the option Private, only accessible to a specific group of people within the team. The standard version is open to everyone on the team. Now tap on the Back button. Tap on the Done button. You can tap on the Invite People to add new members. Tap Enter Email Address. Write the email address. Tap on the plus button near the email. On a channel on iPhone, you can write messages, send attachment files, images, and even videos. Also, you can add different tabs and collaborate on projects. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.